Have you noticed your garden behaving differently lately? Maybe your plants are wilting faster, blooming too early, or just not thriving like they used to. That's because the climate is changing, and it's changing our gardens too. But don't worry, there are smart, sustainable ways to grow beautiful, healthy plants even in the face of extreme weather. In this video, we'll explore how you can future-proof your garden with climate-resilient strategies that save water, support biodiversity, and help your plants thrive in every season. Ready to grow smarter? Let's get started. Our topic for today's video is about gardening in a changing climate, how to future-proof your garden. Climate change is here and it's already affecting the way we grow our gardens. From hotter summers to unpredictable rains, gardening the old way just won't work anymore. But don't worry, today I'll show you how to build a garden that's resilient, sustainable, and ready for the future. Let's grow smarter together. Number one, understanding climate change affects gardening in many ways. Heat waves and droughts dry out our soil. Heavy rains cause floods and root rot. Shifting seasons confuse flowering and harvest times. Pests and diseases spread faster in warmer climates. That's why we need climate smart gardening, a method that adapts to these changes while protecting the environment. 2. 5 smart ways to garden in a changing climate. A. Right plant, right place. Choose plants that are built for your climate, like native species or heat and drought-tolerant varieties. These plants thrive with less water and fewer problems. B. Improve soil health. Healthy soil holds more water, supports plant roots, and helps fight disease. Add organic matter, mulch your beds, and avoid over-digging. C. Smart watering. Water deeply but less often. Use mulch and install drip irrigation to reduce waste, and water early in the day to avoid evaporation. D. Increase plant diversity. Mix your plants, combine flowers, herbs, and vegetables to attract pollinators, repel pests, and create a mini ecosystem in your garden. Use climate-smart tools. Try smart tech like soil moisture sensors, shade cloths during heat waves, or vertical gardens in small urban spaces. 3. Real examples inspiration. In cities like Singapore and Toronto, rooftop gardens are fighting heat and producing food. Even in dry zones, rain gardens and native planting are helping communities thrive. In order that your garden can be beautiful, productive, and part of the solution to climate change, just start small. Choose one thing to change this season and grow from there. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Horti channel for more tips on smart, sustainable gardening around the world.